it says, what interest rate compounding monthly is required to increase $500 to $700 over 3 years? Again, same rules applies. I am now going to just put the strategy on again. All right, I'm trying to find the interest rate. So that's my R. I'll put a question mark for R. My present value, it says here, compounding monthly. So I'll circle monthly and write down, well, there are 12 months in a year, is required to increase $500 to $700. So my future value, by just reading that sentence, my present value is $500 because that's how much I started with. And at the end, I should have $700 over the time period of 3 years. Okay, because it said again, compounded monthly, I don't know my R, so I'll just leave it be for the moment. And I'll do the stuff that I need to do later. But I need to convert that N to months. Okay, so you need to make sure you show this part of the working out. So 3 times 12, because there's 12 months in a year. How many months in 3 years? Well, 36. Okay, so that's done. That's in months. This one, I'll convert it later, but that's a last thing to do. All right, let's just substitute all my values in. So I'm going to write down FV equals to PV bracket 1 plus R to the power of N. My FV was $700. My PV, or my present value, is 500. Bracket 1 plus R, I don't know what R is, to the power of 36. Okay, let's work from here now. All right, so first things first, I need to use my equation skills. I want R by itself. So what I'm going to get rid of first is that 500. That 500 is connected to this term here by times. So I'm going to divide it by 500 on both sides. So now what I'm left with here at the moment is 700 divided by 500 is going to be 1.4. The right-hand side, I'm going to be left with bracket 1 plus R to the power of 36. Okay. Now, how do I get rid of that 36? Basically, it's going to be the same rules as when you're getting rid of x squared. Yeah, so let's say, for example, I got x squared equals to 4. To get rid of the x, or to make x by itself, I would have to square root it, right? Same rules apply, but in this case, rather than square rooting it, you're going to root it to the power of whatever the power is here. In this case, this power is 36. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if I can do it, I'm going to root it to the power of what I'm trying to get rid of. So the power that I'm trying to get rid of is 36. So I'll root it to the 36. Okay. Now, this will cancel out. I'm left with, on the right-hand side at the moment, 1 plus R equal to, now to put this into the calculator, there should be a button where you have to press shift that says this, that looks like this. So there's that root button, there's a square at the top, and there's a square in the middle. Okay, it should be above the button that says x to the power of a box. Okay, so press that for me. So press shift, press that button, put in 36, and then put in 1.4 inside the root. And what you should get is about 1.00939 ... So what I'm going to do is I want to find R by itself. So I need to minus 1 on both sides. R will equal me to 0.00939 ... Now, in this case here, this is in per month, remember? When we converted 3 years to months, which was 36, right? So this rate is per month. What I want is, usually in the question, it's given to me as in per annum. So I need to convert it per annually. Okay, so how to do that? Very simple. How many months is in a year? 12. So rather than dividing, I'm going to multiply by 12 this time because you're going backwards. So do that into your calculator. You should get, so per year, you're going to get 0.11268 ... This is in decimal. Interest rate is usually in percentage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply it by 100 because that's how I convert a decimal to a percentage. And that should give me my rate as 11.27 per annum. Okay. So that's the first step. That's it for example number 2, and I'll see you in the next video for example number 3. Bye.